long to power on the T30Pro. Connect the receiver and the controller via Wi-Fi. Configure the rover. Open photogrammetry. Set the correct pole height. Shake the pole to initialize the inertial measurement unit. Click the Capture button to start image survey. Walk around the object that needs to be modeled. Do not keep the pole too far from the ground. Connect the controller to the computer via USB. Import the captured photos to the computer. First, open the ContextCapture engine. Then, open the ContextCapture master. Create a new project and select the storage location. Click on Font, as in that entire directory. Change the GPS altitude to WG84. Click Submit Arrow Triangulation to start processing the photos. Wait for the photo processing to complete. Click on 3D View to see the results of photo processing. Click Mirror Reconstruction to start 3D reconstruction. Edit and select the area you need for 3D reconstruction. Accept this area. Submit new production. Wait for the 3D reconstruction to complete. You can see the model in 3D view. Click Location to view the geographic information of any point on the model. Use distance to measure the distance between any two points on the model. Use area to calculate the area of any surface on the model. Use volume to calculate the volume of the model.